Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is Friday, and the date is September 18th. And before I go on, let me just. This is weird. I can hear my background here. Okay, let me see here. So, anyways, my first time here on YouTube. So what I'm going to be doing here is my first time here on YouTube is let me see if I can just get this out. Okay, so here, I just had to get that feedback out of there. So uh, before I go on, let's do this. Here's a disclaimer. Any comments made during this live webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive system. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive system is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed trading advisor nor a professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. And I must also say that this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I do not provide any trading signals or anything of that sort. I just what I'm doing right now is basically showing you how we trade DTA's Congressive system, and that's it. Okay, so this is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, I'm looking here at more of the macro view of what happened in the ES. And you can see here, basically, we were just slowly meandering on the up to the +2 deviation. You have here the VWAP right here. So basically, it was bouncing out between the +1, +2, and the VWAP most of the overnight session. So now we are now headed down here. So how far we'll go, we'll probably get down to the -2 deviation, and we'll see what happens here. I usually have another look here on my, so that's basically the macro. Okay. So now I'm gonna look at more of the macro view. So let's look at the micro view. Let me see what I'm gonna share here. Oh, let me see. Oh, there we are. Number 3. Let me switch these around first. Hold on, because I got my screens here mixed up. So let me switch this around here for a minute. Okay, bear with me for a minute. You'll be looking at the macro right now, so I can get this in the view. Let me see this one. Okay, that's good, because I'd rather have to view that than this other one. Okay. Okay, there. So here's more of the micro view. So this is the VWAP of the 24/7 VWAP, if I can point it out here. And I keep on sharing this with every time I broadcast. So here's a 24/7 or the intraday VWAP right here, the blue line. And now you have the other VWAP here, which is basically this red one right here. So basically they're almost in sync with each other, right? So, but price is below both the VWAPs. So that must mean we are looking for a more bias to the downside. But I can see right now, since we hit the -2 here, we might be eventually getting up here, back up above the VWAP. So let's watch this. So what I'm going to do, I'm trading 2 contracts. My goal is to trade to make a profit of between anywhere from 200 to 400 within 1 hour. Okay. So with that said, I will put this in mute and I'll talk to you guys later. So I did some overnight trading, and I was up as much as 537, gave it all back. And so basically, I was down 225 before the opening of this market or the morning session. So my trade for the morning session is basically 212.50 plus, so basically 312.50 gross. And with that's around, that's 312, so that's around $16, so a little over 200, a little under 300. Okay. And basically, my goal is usually during the morning session between 200 to 400. So let me see there, 312.50 minus, that's my commission is roughly $8. So minus 8. So that's equal around 304.50, which technically I've already met my goal, right? So let's see, overall, my overall net profit is 87.50. See what we can work on here. This looks like a good spot right here. So let me put this back on mute, okay? Okay, it finally filled it. Had a difficult time filling that order. So, anyways, I should be done total. Here we are. Remember, before this trade, I was only $87.50 in profit, and now I am now $687.50 in profit. In terms of, let me see here. There's 13, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 times basically my commission is 398. So 55 minus 687.50, 631 net with commissions. So it's actually hit my goal, surpassed my goal. So again, the morning session started right here, right? And it's on not even 30 minutes. All in all, this is how much I made during the morning session. Right here, 212.50, 312, 312, 465, and close to 800. Just the morning session, less than 30 minutes, and that's what you can do if the market is very volatile like it is now. I'm trading 2 contracts. And like I said, I teach my students how to trade this Congressive system. And I'll be offering a special basically for 5. I'm taking in 5 students to basically coach them and mentor them how to trade this extremely consistently profitable system. Like I said, you can only do it, well, if you can spare at least 1 hour of the evening here in the Philippines. And depending on how much how many contracts you can trade, I'm only trading 2 contracts here. And that's the potential you can make in terms of 1 hour. Okay. So I'll be taking 5 students. If you are interested or you want more information, just leave a message below on the YouTube here, and I'll get back with you with some information. Okay. So with that said, I am done for the evening. And since this is the end of the week, enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And also, God bless. Okay. Take care. I'll talk to you guys next Monday. Again, this is my first time on a YouTube Live. I've been usually doing this on Facebook Live in my group, but I guess YouTube Live was kind of down, so I did it on my YouTube channel. So hopefully, if I get positive feedback here, I'll continue doing it on YouTube. Okay, so enjoy your weekend. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.